Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. Today I have a very different ration. This ration is a 1980s replica of a Yugoslavian ration. It looks like it's old, but it's not. Like I said, it's a replica. Looks like it's a single meal. And I forgot to mention, this is a menu D. So, first thing we have is a Cranberry Vitamin C Tea. Never heard of this before, so this ought to be interesting. Let's go ahead and get that mixing. Make sure nothing's moldy inside. And it's just kind of granular powder. I think it is already sweetened. Of course, today we're going to use the ForeignMRE.com spork. Called for 200 milliliters of water. And it also comes with a 100 milligram container of Euro cream. And it looks like it's chocolate and vanilla. Here we have a 150 gram container of potted meat, either sliced beef or beef stew, 300 grams, Euro cream chocolate block. We have a package of Peppermint Gum. And it also came with the instruction manual, user's manual for the use of the meals. But we live on the edge. We're not going to use that. Let's start off with the potted meat. Man, this is a tough one. It smells kind of like Spam, and it looks like it's got the consistency of Spam. And then this is either going to be sliced beef or beef stew. On the instruction manual, it called it both. Let's see if I can get that out without making a mess. Yeah, and right away, man, it smells good. I think this is going to be a beef stew. Then we have the Euro cream. Very interesting. Never seen anything like this before. Oh yeah, and it smells good too. Let me stir the tea. And we're going to give the cranberry tea a try. And of course, it's in the ForeignMRE.com mug. That's actually very good. It doesn't really taste like cranberries. To me, it tastes like more like cherry. It's not overly sweet. So onto the potted meat. The translator wouldn't really translate this. It did say it was 55% beef, but that could be beef liver, beef tongue, could be beef anything. So let's give it a try. And this tastes kind of like the deviled ham potted meat, but it's beef. Okay, and so this smells like a beef stew, but there's nothing in there. There's no vegetables or anything. It's just all meat. Let's give this a try. This tastes like tough type of beef. It's not real tender, and it just tastes like beef that you would get in something like a Dinty Moore beef stew. It has a really good flavor. It's just that the meat is a little bit tough. But overall, other than the meat being tough, it's really good. Let me cleanse my palate a little bit with the cranberry tea. This cranberry tea, like I said, it tastes more like cherry. And if you look at the package, it looks like maybe cherries, but the package says cranberries according to the translator. So we'll call it cranberry, even though it tastes like cherry. So let's give the chocolate side a taste. This chocolate is unbelievable. It's really creamy, it's rich, and it's just loaded with chocolate flavor. This stuff, I've never tried it. I've never had anything this good. I don't know what to compare it to. It doesn't compare to Nutella or anything like that. It's a rich chocolate. Chocolate is good. Let's try the vanilla side. Look at that. This is super, super awesome. The vanilla, it's very sweet, it's creamy. The chocolate, it tastes like a dark chocolate, even though it looks like a milk chocolate. Wow. And then we have the Euro Cream block. Let's open it up. Wow. Look at that. Don't need to break it in half. So it looks like it's chocolate and vanilla. And this smells exactly like this. So let's give it a try. Oh man. This is super good. Rich chocolate. The vanilla, strong taste of the vanilla. Now this chocolate tastes more like a milk chocolate, where this tastes more like a dark chocolate, but this is very good. This is by far one of the best rations I've had. And then we have the Peppermint Gum. I think this is Peppermint Gum. This might just be peppermint. Oh, yeah, it's not gum. Look at that. It's just squares of peppermint. So let me give that a try. It's just like a peppermint lifesaver. It's kind of crunchy, so you can't just pop it in your mouth and chew it up. So overall, I give this ration a perfect 10. Cranberry tea, perfect 10. Tastes to me like cherry. It's not overpowering. It's not over sweet. And then the potted meat, beef flavored. Man, it's a 10. It's creamy. It's full flavored. I guess this would be the sliced beef. I give it a 10. You open up the can, the aroma's coming off. It smells just like a vegetable stew. And then the Euro Cream, perfect 10. Chocolate tastes dark. The vanilla, really sweet, creamy. Oh, I guarantee I'm gonna finish this whole thing. And the chocolate, vanilla and chocolate, perfect 10. And the peppermint, never had anything like this. It's a little bit stronger. The peppermint flavor is very strong, more than a lifesaver. So another perfect 10. Whole entire meal, a 10. I could live on this. When Nina gets home, I'm gonna let her try probably the beef stew, a little bit of this. She's definitely gonna wanna try the chocolate, and probably not the cranberry. Probably has artificial flavor in there and artificial color, something she'll be allergic to. Nathan's got the exact same, well, not the exact same, but he's got a 1980 replica. I think he got a menu C. And so I picked both of these up. I sent one to Nathan. Nathan's gonna do his review. We're gonna try to post them at the same time. And that way you can compare the two. And again, that's Nathan's MRE. I'm sure everybody's familiar with it. If not, we'll put a link to his channel in the description. So that's gonna be it, guys, for the 1980s replica of a Yugoslavia single meal. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get this ration, but you can get your fresh foreign ration at ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching.